The best way to appreciate your job is to imagine yourself without one. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
Just wait a minute, I will be with you shortly. I thought the midterm exam was only worth half of our course grade. Doing this research makes me think of the purpose of science. Allergy problems do run in the family, but we don't understand why. A preliminary bibliography is due the week before the spring break. There will be a significant rise in tuition fees starting next year. We welcome international students from all over the world. In the past, students were required to complete 2 long written assignments. During the next few centuries, London will become one of the most powerful and prosperous cities in Europe.
You don't have to be on Professor Smith's course to attend his lecture. The modern approach to the simple problem is to stress the symbolic side of human nature. Most of the students are not eligible to claim the housing benefits. When I was in school, I had many of the same problems you do now. Does the professor keeps regular office hours? The Drama Society is auditioning for parts in student play. There are 100 of clubs and societies to choose from. The nearest automatic teller is in front of the anatomy lab. Successful applicants will work with a large team of researchers. Most teaching staff make their lecture notes available online. You must establish a day and the time with your tutor. Next time, we will discuss the influence of the media on public policy. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity.
The unexpected delay in the project caused some inconvenience. The company's decision to expand internationally required significant investment. The movie was so captivating that I forgot to check the time. It's important to read the instructions carefully before starting the test. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Learning is a weightless treasure you can always carry easily. Believe you can, and you're halfway there.
Experts cannot agree on a single definition of intelligence. Students must attend the safety course before entering the engineering workshop.
This is a book for readers who cannot read. There are many kinds of reading and degrees of ability to read. Most of us also know that we are not expert readers. Most of us do not regard reading as a complicated activity. The art of tennis consists of rules for managing each of the various strokes. Whether he could tell me how to listen to music as a musician. A goal is a dream with a deadline. A strong foundation at home sets you up for a strong foundation at work. Always give without remembering and always receive without forgetting. Be kind whenever possible, it is always possible. Big shots are only little shots who keep shooting. Do not let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better.